Hello, I am going to show you how to edit your website's homepage. So this is a screen that will populate when you log into your admin. And then you're just going to go up to this upper left-hand corner and hit Visit Site. And this view is the published website. So this is what you're used to seeing as a user. To edit the About page, we're going to navigate to the About page. And then you're going to go up here and hit Edit Page. And I'm going to move section by section to show you how to edit it. So basically this entire page is like a Word document. You can click into all of the text boxes and remove or add text. So I'll kind of show you an example here. Again, I just kind of clicked the general vicinity of the text, and then I can delete the whole text. I can add new text in and replace it. And that goes for all of this. Delete text, add text in. Same for this section, and same for this down here. I can remove that, completely change it, etc. And for the images, you can swap those out pretty easily as well. To swap out an image, you're going to click into it, hit this replace button, and then it's going to come up with two different options. You can open the media library. What this is all of the images that are already uploaded into your site. So you can select something from here, or alternatively, you can upload an image file from your computer. And then after you change any text or the images, make sure to hit this update button. This is your master save. So nothing you're changing here will be reflected onto the live site unless you hit this button. Okay, so scrolling down here, again, each section, each text section is editable. All of this is able to be changed by simply clicking into it, taking out, or adding in text. These down here are a little bit different. If you click into that, you can see that these are card blocks. So it's not as easy as clicking into it right here and changing the text. What you want to do, again, click into it. And then you're going to go up here. For me, it's already up, but if it's not already up, you just hit this settings box right here. And this is pulling in all of the content and the settings for this card block element. So in this settings, you can switch out the image. I don't want to do it right now, but if you wanted to switch this image, you can remove, and then you'll have an option to add in a different image here. And then you can also change the title, which is this right here, by simply clicking in and deleting everything or typing something new. And once you're done, just hit X. And again, make sure you're hitting the update button throughout this entire process. So buttons are similar to this type of text right here. All you have to do is click into it, and then you can delete or add more text. And for buttons, you can also change the navigation of the buttons. So this is the link where you hit this button. This is what it takes you to. So if I wanted this button to take me somewhere different, I would just click into it, hit this little edit icon, and then delete this and add a new link in, and then I would save. Okay, so this is a Mason grid gallery right here. On the live site, this kind of looks like a collage. So if I wanted to remove any of the collage images, say you wanted to get rid of all the stock photos, I could X all of the stock photos and then add to the gallery, add my new images in. Again, you're going to have the same options. You can either choose images that are already uploaded to your site or upload new files. And then again, once you're done with that, just hit update. Same thing down here. You can click into any of this text, remove text or add text. And these down here are just image files. These logos are just image files. So if you wanted to replace these logos, all you have to do is click into the image and hit replace. And same thing. You can either upload from your media library or upload from down here. Moving down the page, this is the same thing. This is removable, changeable. So is this, and this is a button down here. You can change the navigation by hitting this edit icon right here. And you can also change the text. Okay, moving down here. This is just a text block right here. You can change this to something else. These are not just images. This is actually automatically populating from your Instagram. So this isn't something that we can click into and replace. But yeah, that's it. Again, it's just a giant Word document. All you have to do to change something is to click into it. And then you just want to be sure to update and save everything that you did. And if you're making some big changes and want to see it, you'll be able to do so with this button. Okay.